Hello everyone, so in this video I'll be explaining how we can use relations and rollup properties in Notion. So first of all we need to create a page where we can have our databases. So let's suppose we are creating a database called I would say properties. So we will have two databases called projects and task. So I will give this property name called projects, and then there's another database, then just name it as projects db, and then we have got another database called task. So let's suppose we have got one project called UI development, and there's another project called database and so we have got these two projects, and we have task for the projects, and we need to link task with the project. So that's what our objective is. So for this purpose we will use relations, and I will explain you how we can like assign automatically different tasks to different projects. So let's suppose we have a task property here, and just delete this column, and we will create another column called def days, and change this property from text to number, and we will create another property called projects. So I will say we have got one task for UI, creating a mockup, development of login page, or we can change it to design of login page. And then we have got another task for database, which is query rewriting. So these are the three tasks we have got. So two is for UI development project, and one is for query rewriting, is for database cleansing. So what we need to do here is just delete this column. We need to give some estimation, like 3 days it will take, 5 days it will take, and 10 days. So and now we need to link this column with a project, and we need to reflect the same thing in a task database as well. So that's so the way we need to achieve is with the relations. So we need to edit this property, and we need to say this is a relation. So just select relations here, and you can type the database which you need to relate it with. Let's suppose you are dealing with a project db. So and then basically I have two project db, so I will say which one is it. Just change the name to project 1 db. so that you have clear understanding which database we are referring to. Project 1DB, add a relation, and then show on project 1DB as well. So this will enable the task column in the project 1DB. So you need to update relation. Now you can see what happened here is there is automatic column generation in project 1DB called tasks DB. What it will do is when we select the particular database, like this belongs to this task belongs to UI development database, and this task is also belonging to UI development database, and this task belongs to the database cleansing, which is another project. So these are two projects and this is another project. So what it will do is it will update the particular task in the task column in front of projects DB. So that's how you will create relations. So the benefit for that is you can directly click on that and go to that particular task, similarly to this. Okay, so this is how you create relations basically. So let's suppose in future you have another task called performance optimization, and the dev working days is 5. So you can directly just go there and say this is a database cleansing related task. So it will automatically update the performance optimization task in database cleansing in front of database cleansing project. So that's how you will make relations in Notion. So it is pretty useful. You can create multiple tables, multiple databases, and you can link different databases with different with each other, so that you don't have any issue in writing different projects. Okay, so another thing I want to explain here is the rollup property, which is basically let's suppose you want to use this property in your projects DB. Let's suppose you want to say like how many total number of days required to complete this particular project. Let's suppose the particular project is database cleansing. So the way you will do is you will go to the edit property and you would say rollup, and you would select the task DB, and in the calculate you would say task DB, and the property you would say is dev days, and in calculate you can select different types of options. So I would select sum. So the moment you select sum, it will update the you can give a different name for that, total working days. So it will update the total working days in front of each project. So you can say like 3 and 4 is for UI development, which is 7, and 15 10 and 5 is for the database development. We need database cleansing. So that's how you will update the project's rollup property. That's how you would use rollup property in Notion. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.